Hello people. So it is a Sunday and as usual I'm now rushing to. Sundays are busy for me, right? I have to go and go back to where I stay. I come towards this side of the city, that is Maritpalli, and now I need to rush back. And then that's what this rabbit, I took it to a vet on Friday, and it was my rabbit is not doing too well. Yeah, it's got a lot of skin trouble. That is, it's it's very sad to see your pet suffer. So then again, this coming Friday I need to take it to the vet, and now I need to just get like I buy my vegetables also on a Friday from this downstairs market. I need to put all of that in a theli and take it with me. um, and then of course this rabbit cage and lots of things to be done types. So busy day ahead, and I plan to go and pluck neem leaves from where I stay, from close to where I stay, because it will neem is something everybody should be having, eating and all, for good skin. Yeah. So yeah, lots of things to be done. It's already a 1 minute video, and I just began reading this particular book. It's called X and Y. Once I finish reading it, I'll do a detailed review. Yeah, so that will be so cool. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.